Keeping our skin safe is important for everyone. There are many easy ways to prevent burns, both outside and inside. Here are some helpful tips. Wear sunscreen when spending time outdoors. Keep children out of the kitchen when cooking. Face handles of pots and pans towards the back or center of the stove. Liquids such as oil and cooking grease can cause a much deeper burn than water. Keep children away from area when cooking. Do not hold hot liquids or food while holding a small child. Check to make sure water isn't too hot before placing child in the tub, shower, or sink. Keep matches out of reach. Keep hot objects such as curling irons, hair dryers, and their cords out of reach. Teach children not to play with outlets or cords and plugs. Make sure items like fireplaces and radiators are blocked from toddlers' reach when on or hot.
Most of the patients that we see here at St. Christopher's, about 90% of them are skull burn injuries. A lot of these injuries happen because of the nature of children at the age of 3 and under. Like, they're very curious, but they don't understand the difference between things that are hot and cold, and they don't know what can happen if they pull something hot on themselves. So you just have to be as careful as you can when you're in the kitchen, or if you're drinking hot liquids like coffee or tea around children, that you have to kind of keep things out of their reach. Often, sometimes it happens that the child is at a new milestone and the parents don't know that they can do new things like climb up on a stool or a chair to get to things, and things happen that way. And other than that, it's just with the older children, trying to teach them not to play with fire, and that's some of the other types of injuries that we see.
As far as outside, making sure the area is clear of any dangers, like there's no matches or lighters outside in the grass, or in areas that may have had like a fire pit or a grill, just making sure to be aware and keeping kids away from those areas.
Parents can help to prevent burns by doing a safety check around their house. They can make sure that they provide anti-scald devices that are being put onto their water heaters. They can, if the water heaters are set too high and they rent, call the landlord and ask them to be switched over. Also, another thing is make sure they check their cords to all of their appliances and such to make sure that they are functioning properly.